What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today I actually recreated this awesome look. I saw it off of Instagram, and I'll actually post a picture somewhere right here. So go ahead and check out. Who the hell is messaging me right now? Oh my god. So guys, like I said, I recreated this look and I thought it was so beautiful. But let me know what you think about this look. Did I do a good job? Did I? Let me know. If you guys want to see exactly how I got this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Also, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a big old nasty old thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and also comment down below, guys. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Got you thinking.